A cell. A cell is a mass of cytoplasm that is bounded external by a cell membrane. It is usually microscopic in size. Cell is smallest structural and functional unit of living matters. The cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Cell is also known as fundamental unit of body. Cell was discovered by a Robert Hooke in 1665. Cell is consist of following component. First one, nucleus. Second, mitochondria. Third, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum have two types. First one, rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Second one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. The first cell, Golgi apparatus. Fifth one, lysosomes. Sixth, ribosomes. Seventh, cytoskeleton, etc. The cell is composed by a plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and a nucleus. Cell membrane. Cell membrane consists of three components. First, lipid 40%, protein 55%, carbohydrate 5 to 10%. Cell membrane is the consist of double layer of phospholipid, bilayer of phospholipid. Each layer of cell membrane is consist two parts. First one, head. The head is of cell membrane composed of phosphate and glycerol. The head of cell membrane is hydrophilic. Second one, tail. The tail of cell membrane is composed of two chain of fatty acid, and the tail of cell membrane is hydrophobic. The cell is composed by a plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and a nucleus. Cytoplasm, a gel-like substance that fills the cell and surround the organelles, and its function provide a medium for biochemical reaction and support the organelles. Nucleus. The first cell organelles. The nucleus is the largest cell organelles. Nucleus play a major role of cellular activity. It is also known as center of the cell, and it also consists of a double layer membrane which known as a nuclear membrane. Inside the nucleus, the fluid is present which is known as nucleoplasm. There are a genetic material inside the nucleus which is known as DNA. The DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. The function of nucleus house the cell genetic material and control the cellular activity through the gene expansion. Next, cell organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum are the filament network of protein which are arise from outer nuclear membrane. These are two types. First, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Second, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum studied with ribosomes involved in protein synthesis and its processing. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum lack ribosomes in SER and involved in lipid synthesis and detoxification of the cell. Next, cell organelle. Golgi, a series of flattened membrane bound sac. In the Golgi apparatus, vesicles are present which are responsible for packaging and transporting of protein, which are known as transport vesicle protein. Mitochondria. Structure. Double membrane organelles, often referred to a powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria adenosine triphosphate ATP throughout aerobic respiration, providing energy to the cell. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are membrane-less organelles. There are two types of ribosomes in a cell. First, free ribosomes. Second, binded ribosomes. Free ribosomes make a protein which used inside the cell, which also known as cellular protein. Second one, binded ribosomes. It bind the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Make binded ribosomes makes protein which either use in formation of cell. Function of ribosomes: synthesize protein by translating messenger RNA. Lysosomes. Lysosomes having a 50 type of digestive enzymes stored into lysosomes, which are known as hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes are synthesized by Golgi apparatus. The functions of lysosomes. Lysosomes are responsible for destruction of old cell organelles and bacteria or virus and toxic substances. Next cell organelles, cytoskeletons. Cytoskeletons are the network of special type of protein which are present into the cytoplasm, a network of protein filaments and tubules like microfilaments, intermediate filaments, microtubules. Functions of cytoskeletons are providing a structural support and intracellular transportation support in the cell movement. It contains microtubules, intermediate filaments, microfilaments. Summary of the cell. Human cells are complex structure with specialized organelles that work together to maintain the life and function to the cell. Each component play a crucial role in process such as energy production, protein synthesis, rest management, and cellular communication. Understanding the cell